Gold and silver both have seen a good break yesterday, as we discussed in our analysis several times that below 1954 the target is going to be 1935 levels. What it has done, it has gone close to 1936 and has reversed. I hope you all profited there. Likewise, silver too has seen a good break still toward 2265 levels. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. To watch that, also you can join our free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we look into gold. Now see gold on the hourly charts, you can see 1940, a very good support level for now. And if you recall, we had discussed this in our previous multiple videos in last few weeks. 1950, 1940 and 1935. These zones you should be careful of, and below this there is going to be further fall. First thing was to break below 1954 this time, and now it is going to be 1940. Now with that as support, it is trying to rise. Now what it has done, you can see here also it has formed the support, consolidated here, try to rise. Now here also it is doing the same thing. See, single red candle, now it is trying to consolidate or rise a bit. Now this is the zone. If it breaks past by, then only you can consider it is trying to reverse. First thing is it can try to attempt and achieve the bottom of this support, which means 1954 levels can get achieved once. That is the only part where it can see a retracement. Else the reversal confirmation is only if you see it trading above 1965. Now we had seen several times, see the divergence from the 20 period moving average, the divergence from the 20 period moving average, and then this convergence. Now those who want to learn this analysis, you should observe how things are done. I always talk about these things, divergent and convergent. You should also practice this thing, and definitely you will get to know that this really happens. So it has converged till here. Now what is happening here is the moving averages have diverged enough. Now is the time for them to converge, which means it can try to reverse. How far? 1954-55 first target, 60 the second, and then 1965. Only and only if you see gold trading above 1965, you can say that it has reversed. Else what is happening here is, if you connect the dots of this channel, you will find 1954-55 is still as a very good resistance, and this is a bearish channel, and hence achieving the high that can again reverse on the downside. Hence we have to exercise extra caution here. Now where is the first support? See, you can find out these levels, 1944-43 levels. Only below 43 you can sell. However, 1940 is the support, and then 1935 is the support. If these two are taken, you can expect it to drop more. Now look at the stochastic. This is overbought. See MACD crossing over as a bottom and trying to diverge. First crossover, second crossover. This time it can try to pull it up a little. RSI has come out of the oversold zone and trading comfortable. Now look at 2-hour charts. Same observation. Apply the same principle on the 2-hour charts, which means 1954-55 levels can be achieved here. This is the 20 period moving average. Also, if you see the divergence, still there is lot much of scope left here. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD seen converging. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is also trying to recover a bit. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, see on the 3-hour charts, observe the charts, see the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, trying to trade in this bearish channel. Hence, till at least 1954-55 or 1960, we should not consider this as bullish. Stochastic is rising, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation, nothing different. See the formation, identical, increasing size, increasing bearishness. Stochastic coming out of the oversold zone, MACD trying to converge here, RSI looking upwards, trying to come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts, and we had discussed this thing also in our weekly analysis also. See the divergence from the 20 period, the divergence on the moving averages, and since then it has started to converge. This is the beauty of analysis. Also, if you look at now 1960, 1980, 85 level, this is the 20 and 50 period moving average convergent crossover point. which is going to be a very good resistance. The super trend has turned into a sell entry here, and see, this happens after a long time. This has happened after a long time. See, where did it cross over for a buy entry? You can see this was red. Here it has crossed over for a buy entry. That was way back in March, mid of March, and since then it has traded bullish, and now after long time it has crossed over for a sell entry. Hence it can potentially retrace a little further on the downside. Now that we'll cover up in our weekly analysis how far it can retrace. Now see, if you look at the resistance here, the breakout here, this is the first breakout candle. Potentially, if it stays below 1940 today, it is preparing for a sharper fall, taking it till towards 1920, 1915 levels. Remember this fact, staying below 1940, it is going to bring 1940, 1935 also, let's count. Or if it stays below 1940, 1935, it will bring a catastrophe. It will bring a fall once again for the day, which is going to take it till towards 1920 and 15 levels. Possibility exists for this also. Now, on the upside, as I said, right now it is retracing. Possibility of a retracement exists till towards 1954-55 and then 1960. Now, see, a reversal confirmation only if you see it trading above 1965 levels, else it can drop again. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is bearish, divergent. RSI is almost at bottom. It has still got some scope for it to drop further. Hence, you can sell here at 1943 levels. Expect 1940 and 1935. Now, these two levels, very good support level. And once it drops below 1935, you can be ready for a further sharper drop, which can take it till towards 1920 levels also. Take your trades accordingly. On the upside, you can buy here at 1950 levels, but then 1954 first target. See, on the upside, we have to remain extremely cautious till towards 1965. You have to just put a $2 to $3 trailing stop loss such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. Take your trades accordingly, or at least put your stop loss at your cost price such that in case of a reversal, your trade does not close with a loss at least. Adopt this principle, definitely you'll profit. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals. Definitely you'll profit. Reach out to me for more details. Now look, silver on the hourly chart. Similar formation, 2270. It has formed a support at 2270. Trying to rise. Previous support here was also seen at 2280. Now, only reversal confirmation. First of all, let's talk about this. Only reversal confirmation for silver is if you see it trading about 2320 levels. That is the point beyond which silver should rise more and then it can rally till 2320. Do not consider this as bullish. Now, what has happened on the hourly charts? See the moving divergence from the moving period average, convergence, divergence, convergence. Moving averages also have diverged equally, now trying to converge, which means a little retracement on the upside is possible. Hence, also if you look at 2280, which has formed a very good support, and yes, this was my favorite levels also. 2280 proven out to be a very good support. Now with that as support, it is trying to rise. I will look forward to how it behaves at 23, 2310 and 2320. These three levels, possibility of it to rise till there exists, but this is a very smaller movement for silver. However, 10 cents is, someone who tries to make a profit out of it, 10 cents is still a good deal for silver. And hence, yes, possibly it may try to retrace till 23, 2310. However, be very cautious and alert there. It is not a surety that it can definitely go or break 2310 or 2320 levels. However, retracement is possible, and from there again it can continue on the downside. Now look at the movement here. You can clearly see this is a channel in which it is trying to trade, and it is still very much lying in this channel. Stochastic now back to overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, and this crossover has happened at the bottom. See, now when you know that this is the third, fourth attempt, possibly it can continue. Hence, be cautious there. Stochastic is rising, and if you look at 2-hour charts, same observation here too. We can see this 20 period moving average is done, and it is the convergence here. I will definitely watch out for 23, 2310, 2320. Only and only if it breaks beyond 2320, you can consider this for a reversal. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for a buy entry here. RSI also coming out of the oversold zone, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you can see still there is little room for it to rise till 2310 levels, which is going to be potentially a very good resistance level. The next candle when it starts, see the 3-hour charts, the bullishness has certainly getting diminished here, but the potential for it to rise till 2310 also increasing. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy entry, RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Now look at the 4-hour charts, similar observation on the 4-hour charts, and here see if you go by the philosophy of converging till towards the 20 period moving average, you can expect 2320 levels as a very good resistance there on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover, see first wave, then bearishness, second wave can take it a little up. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, and if you look at the daily charts, now looking at daily charts, 4 straight red candles, flat bottom and a recovery from the flat bottom levels possibly may bring it till towards this level and create a symmetrical candle here. Possibility exists for this. Hence a little rise till the time it stays above 2280. Possibility for silver to rise till 2310. 2320 exists strong. Stochastic is oversold. Certainly MACD is bearish here. RSI is also oversold. Considering this, one can stay long with the stop loss at 2280 levels. A little riskier trade, but yes. And about 23 you can also buy, where those who want to trade safe for 2310, 2315, 2320. Till 2320 be alert, it is not a reversal, it can rise till there, and beyond that if it stays about 2320 you can see a further rise, but then 2330 and 40 levels are going to be the very good resistance level. Be alert here, this is still a retracement, and any drop below 2270. Now you can sell here at 2280 itself, but then 2270, just wait for it to break pass by, then my favorite 2250 will be seen for once, and if it drops below 2250 it is going to bring a catastrophe there. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch at Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.